Hey everyone, welcome back to TriTech AB, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews and insights. I'm AB, and today we're diving into the Xiaomi 15. Is it the ultimate upgrade or just another phone? Stick around to find out. When the Xiaomi 13 launched, I thought, wow, this is the perfect phone for me. The Xiaomi 14 raised the bar even higher, and now, with the Xiaomi 15 in hand, I find myself asking, is this really worth upgrading to? Well, let's start by talking about its availability. Let's talk about the design. At first glance, the Xiaomi 15 doesn't stray too far from the Xiaomi 14, but there are subtle yet significant refinements. The frosted glass back and sturdy frame scream premium. However, there's a trade-off. It's a bit slippery, so you might want to grab a case to protect this beauty. In terms of feel and size, it's comparable to the iPhone 16 Pro, and that's saying a lot. But here's a small gripe. The ultrasonic fingerprint recognition is faster and better positioned, but it requires special films or TPU films. Tempered film lovers, this might be a letdown for you. The display is where the Xiaomi 15 truly shines, literally. Its 6.3-inch screen offers three significant upgrades. Brightness. With up to 3000 nits in 25% of the screen, it's perfect for outdoor use. Narrower bezels, one of the slimmest bezels on the market, making the phone look sleek and modern. Power efficiency, thanks to new M9 luminous materials, it's 10% more efficient than before. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor takes center stage. Benchmarks show a significant leap in performance, and gaming on this phone is a breeze. Genshin Impact, for example, runs smoother than ever, with lower temperatures and less power draw. Battery life is another win. The 5400 mAh battery lasts longer, and charging remains blazing fast at 90-watt wired and 15-watt wireless. A new cold endurance mode is also a lifesaver for those in colder climates. Now let's talk cameras. At first glance, the specs seem similar to the Xiaomi 14, but the 15 has stepped up in surprising ways. Photos are sharper, colors are more accurate, and AI enhancements are noticeable. Dynamic range and white balance have improved significantly. Portrait mode is stunning. No more mushy hair details even in tough lighting conditions. However, the Xiaomi 15 does have a slight purple fringing issue in videos, which might bother some users. The Xiaomi 15 debuts HyperOS 2, and it's smoother than ever. Animations are dynamic, frame drops are minimal, and features like AI-powered dynamic wallpapers are a fun touch. While some features still need OTA updates, the overall experience is a significant step forward. So, should you get the Xiaomi 15? If you're upgrading from an older phone, this is a no-brainer. It's one of the best small-size phones available today. But if you're a Xiaomi 14 user, think twice. While the Xiaomi 15 is an upgrade, the 14 is still a fantastic device. Maybe waiting for the Xiaomi 16 would be the smarter choice. That's it for today's review of the Xiaomi 15. If you're interested, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TriTech AB for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.